Scalable Vector Graphics. It's an image made of math, not pixels. You can scale it infinitely. Browsers open it, or you can edit it with the free Inkscape tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's edit the vector. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an SVG file. Here's a sneak peek. An SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics, file is an XML-based vector image format for two-dimensional graphics with support for interactivity and animation. SVG images are defined in XML text files, allowing them to be searched, indexed, scripted, and compressed. They are resolution independent, meaning they can be scaled without loss of quality. SVG files use XML syntax to define shapes, paths, text, and other graphical elements. They support features like gradients, filters, and transformations. The SVG specification is maintained by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C. The browser versus Inkscape context suggests a focus on how browsers render SVGs compared to how they are created and edited in vector graphics editors like Inkscape. There's a proprietary link between the SVG format and Google Chrome by Google. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows allows limited viewing, but any detailed revision requires vector-capable applications. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your SVG file and select Open With. Test Google Chrome if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If the SVG file won't open, don't panic. The error is a consequence of the SVG format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, use web browser Chalk Viewer. Open the file by double-clicking it or dragging it into any modern web browser, Chrome, Firefox. Next, use Vector Editor. Open the file in a vector editing application, e.g. Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, for editing. Finally, check XML. Open the SVG file in a code editor, VS Code, to view the XML structure and check for basic errors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.